Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Ian Trader, and today we're gonna talk about PEPE crypto coin. We're gonna talk about price prediction, technical analysis, everything you need to know if you want to invest in PEPE, or if you hold PEPE and you don't know where to sell, where to buy. We're gonna cover everything in today's video. But before we start, please remember that this is not financial advice. This is just my personal opinion on the market, and you should make your own decision based on your own research. Alright, let's go. Thank you so much for all the new subscribers. Welcome on the board. If you're not subscribed yet, if you like this video, please subscribe, like this video, comment down below. I'm so happy that this channel is growing so fast, and I'm happy to make this work for you. Alright, let's begin. So as you can see on this chart, we have resistances and support levels that I'm gonna explain to you in a minute. But before we start, let's take a look at this support right here that I presented to you in my previous videos, because I told you guys how important that was, that 618 Fibonacci tracement level, and it held actually perfectly, because if we can see the closures of the candles were or above this level around 618 and this historical price support right here, and that was a really strong support that really held this difficult time on the market, and it was a perfect opportunity for you to invest into PEPE if you were not invested. And actually from that point to the current price, we have a 70% growth, and for the local top we have like 85%, which is huge, which is a great move. And if you invested into PEPE on those levels and you took profit over here, congratulations, because you made a great swing trade. But if we could take a look at this support A, resistance A, I'm sorry, we actually broke it with ease, and it shows that PEPE is on a roll. PEPE is really strong on the market right now, and it broke that support with ease. But let's take a look at 4-hour chart, and we broke it. Now we're going to retest it, and what usually happens when we break a support, we have a strong test, and if we have a strong bounce, then it means that the support is broken, it's retested, and the resistance is broken, and it becomes a support. So we need a little confirmation. So from that point, I'm expecting a little bounce here, a strong bounce, and it's gonna confirm that this resistance was broken successfully. All right, but it looks like it's gonna happen. So I'm really happy about that. Because if that happens, the next level we're gonna look at the chart is resistance B. So from the moment right here to the resistance B, we have 25% of profit, and to the local top we have 55% profit. But if you had listened to me and if you invested into PEPE at the support A, then you would be looking at a profit of right now around 80% to resistance B, around 112%, and to the local top resistance C, it's gonna be 167%, which is huge. So as I'm teaching you guys on this channel, that it's really important that to catch all these low levels so you can make the most amount of profits on the way up. Guys, you are making the most amount of profit on the way up by catching those supports, not on the way up. When we look at the daily RSI right now, we're a little bit of overbought, so I really recommend to be cautious on the market right now, because we may see, maybe not now, maybe in a few days, maybe in a week, we may see a decent correction on the market in order to allow the flow, to allow the market to grow higher, because we need corrections, we need shakeouts for the healthy growth, right? It's nothing abnormal. So if you look on the daily RSI right here, I'm gonna mark it, and it's overbought, then you should not be looking at buying an asset. You should be looking at, oh, can I take a little bit of profit here, or just like wait it out? Because the best moments to buy an asset, such as crypto or stocks or anything else, is actually looking at the RSI from this side, from the lower oversold, right? And those are the two best moments to actually accumulate PEPE, right? So we accumulate PEPE at the lowest RSIs, like daily or weekly, but not at the top. All right. So if you're not invested in PEPE, if you don't have PEPE, I would recommend maybe waiting a little bit till this RSI is reset, and maybe just gonna correct here and then grow again. Something like that may happen. It may continue growing, you know, like I'm not saying it's not gonna happen, but as an experienced trader, I try to avoid this kind of situation because it's a game of probabilities, right? And the probability is higher that we're gonna have a little correction from here or from support resistance B, because we may have some time and actually have another wave to resistance B and then have a correction over here. So that's what I'm actually predicting for the nearest future, and let's see how it's gonna go. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you're enjoying this video. If you do, please go to my channel and click subscribe and like my video. I really recommend watching my last 4 videos about fetch. I cover stocks too, like Tesla or Shopify. I really recommend you going there and watching those videos and subscribing to my channel. I promise I'm gonna do a really good job for you and you will not regret it. Thank you so much. Alright, now let's take a look at crypto bubbles, and in the last month actually PEPE grew 43%, which puts us really high on this chart. There's some other crypto that make a huge growth, but PEPE is kind of like high market cap altcoin right now, which is pretty impressive, like around 50%. It's really impressive. So let's take a look at CoinGecko and let's find PEPE. We have it on the place 27 with a market cap of $4.7 billion. And let's say if you're looking for PEPE to double the price from the current price, where would it put us on this chart? It would put us around 9.5, something like that, around $10 billion. So we would be between a wrap Bitcoin and Chainlink, right? So that would put us on the place 17. But if you were to triple, actually, that would be we would be around Cardano, like here, which is still doable, and I believe the whole market will at least double or triple in the nearest future in the bull market. So that means actually PEPE could go even higher than that. So doubling the price, tripling, it's totally doable. Another indicator I want to show you is Fear and Greed Index, and we're going towards the right side. We're going towards the greed, which is really good. And if you guys see green levels here, extreme greed, that's going to be a perfect opportunity for you to take some profits. Maybe not everything as much as you think it's reasonable, but it's always a good idea to take some profits when you see extreme greed on the market. And as I told you guys, I've been telling you we would see some extreme fear on the market, which we did see in August. And as you can see here, we were growing for almost 2 years, and I was telling you guys, we are going to see some correction soon. We are going to see fear, and that's gonna be the best opportunity for you to accumulate crypto or Bitcoin and any other assets. And it actually happened, and my prediction was perfect. And during those times, during extreme fear, you could actually accumulate PEPE at the best possible prices locally, right? So please take a look at Fear and Greed Index, check on it daily, weekly, and check what is the level of this, because when we go towards the green side of it, and then it's gonna be your sign to like, oh, okay, it's time to take profits, because a lot of people from a lot of people from the street will go into the market and they're gonna put their assets, they're gonna put their capital on the market, and that they're gonna put their capital in your hands, and you have to take it. You know, it's as simple as that. And if you take it, you're gonna be victorious on this market. If you don't take it, and we're gonna see a crash or something, then you're gonna have to wait for another wave of that profit. Okay, but if you take profits, then you're gonna have more cash to reinvest and accumulate. It's a compound effect. All right, so it's pretty simple. It sounds simple. It's actually not that simple, but if you watch my videos, if you're subscribed, I'm gonna be explaining everything as clear as I can. All right, so make sure you subscribe to this video and like this video and comment down below to help me develop my channel so I can work for you fully. All right, another indicator I wanna show you is altcoin Bitcoin season. And as you can see here, I actually think we are leaving the Bitcoin season right now. We're going towards the altcoin season. We're at number 37 right now. And as you know, as I've been telling you guys in my videos, during the Bitcoin season we are accumulating altcoins, and as we go towards the altcoin season on this chart all the way up, it's time for you to drop your altcoins and buy Bitcoin with your altcoins. So as you see, as PEPE keeps growing, it's a really great idea to sell partially your PEPE or other altcoins and buy Bitcoin and wait for another wave as we go down into Bitcoin season. And during the Bitcoin season, you will take profits from Bitcoin and put it into altcoins again. Because look back, like how this chart works. It just go all the way up, all the way down, all the way up, all the way down. This is seasonality. This is those are micro cycles on the market that you have to take use of. You have to swing trade to increase your profitability on the market, and it's really important for you. So I'm gonna talk about this chart more on my channel, so make sure you subscribe. For now, that's it. I really hope you liked this video. If you did, make sure you click the like button, subscribe, comment down below. If you don't know what to comment, you can just comment thank you. I really appreciate that. And I'm gonna come to you with another PEPE update probably in a week or in 2 weeks. If you have some questions, drop them down below. Thank you so much, and I see you next time. Bye.